Welcome to this powerful lucky energy meditation. Find a quiet place where you can lie down, relax, and get comfortable. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale any tension. Allow yourself to fully surrender to this moment. Luck is a state of mind. The more you believe in your luck, the more the universe aligns in your favor. This meditation is designed to rewire your subconscious, raise your vibration, and attract unlimited luck into your life. By looping this video, you absorb the frequency of luck, allowing it to flow effortlessly into your reality. Let this energy sink deep into your subconscious, aligning you with health, wealth, love, happiness, and endless opportunities. As you listen, feel the luck expanding within you. Trust that everything is working out in your favor because it always does. Relax, let go, and allow yourself to step into your most lucky, abundant, and successful self. Let's get started. I am so lucky. Everything always works out for me. Luck follows me in every area of my life. I am a magnet for lucky opportunities in my career. I always meet the right people at the perfect time. I attract loving, supportive, and positive relationships effortlessly. My body is strong, vibrant, and radiates perfect health. I am lucky to have a career that fulfills me and brings me joy. My friendships and relationships are filled with love, laughter, and harmony. I am naturally lucky when it comes to financial success. I always receive unexpected career opportunities and promotions. My health is always improving, and I feel amazing every day. The universe constantly aligns me with the perfect people for my growth. I am lucky to be surrounded by kind, uplifting, and inspiring people. My romantic life is filled with love, passion, and deep connection. I always get exactly what I want effortlessly. I attract wealth, happiness, and success with ease. The best career opportunities flow to me effortlessly. I am blessed with perfect timing in all aspects of life. My relationships thrive because I am lucky in love and friendship. I am divinely guided toward success, fortune, and happiness. I am lucky to wake up healthy, energized, and full of life. The universe showers me with endless blessings in my personal and professional life. Everything I desire comes to me in the most magical ways. My lucky energy makes me unstoppable in love, health, and success. I am the luckiest person I know. Life is always working in my favor.